Alright guys, welcome back to Flock Your Fixer Upper. We are getting ready to start our next project and it's raining, so we're doing our intro in the car, and this house is called we're calling this one the Mellow Yellow House. So let's take a look. Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay, here's the outside.
And it's raining.
And it's raining. It's not snowing.
At least it's not snowing.
It's not ice. There's
That's
a little koi pond.
Outside bathtub.
It's a side porch. And the landscaping looks like at one point it was really nice.
It's got a nice little detached steel garage or shop with electric going to it. So that's nice. Yeah, it did have nice landscaping. We'll bring that back to life.
Yeah, it'll look good. So here's the lead walk. Let's take a look inside. What do you think? Should we leave all the blue or periwinkle? What is that?
Baby blue?
Baby blue? I think we'll take down all the little scallops.
Yeah.
Redo this porch. Paint the door. All right, so inside the foyer, we will be replacing this flooring. John really likes these lights.
You guys one over here too. There's actually 4.
And this one actually has spider webs. Can you see it? Oh yeah, spider webs.
I think we should put my picture in every opening.
All right, so there's a cedar closet, cedar foyer closet. And then first bathroom. So full-size tub, needs to be taken out, new floor, needs a new vanity, new toilet, paint, trim, light fixtures. So basically we need to gut. All right, so we go down foyer hallway.
Danger, danger, danger.
All right, so there's a wood stove connector here, which you could leave or cap off. To the left would be your, I guess, family room.
And the red looks marvelous.
Do you love the red? Matches Noah's shirt. And then there's another porch. So you can, like a side private porch that goes down into the yard. More blue, periwinkle, whatever color that is, purple.
Baby blue.
Baby blue. I love this fan. Don't you love that fan?
That van is for sale.
All right, and then back over here, it's all open to, this is the kitchen. So this all needs to be taken out as well. New appliances, new cabinets, new countertops. We need to refinish the floors. These floors are original to the house though.
Yeah, it'll
So
look really
they'll
good
look,
when we get them.
yeah, it'll look really nice. We've been contemplating taking a little bit of this wall out to open it up a little more. And then off the kitchen is a mudroom / laundry room.
Which is also the purple, right?
The purple room, yeah, with corresponding
Is
door.
that purple?
These windows need to be replaced. There's the well cap out there. Something to. The wall looks like it's in pretty good shape. The retaining wall just needs to be cleaned up. All right, so let's take a look at bedroom number 1.
There's another light here. It's on a dimmer, so
Everything's on a
kinda
dimmer.
scary.
So this is the, what color? This is orange rust room. This is the rust room.
The restaurant?
The rust
Because I gotta go.
The rust room. All right, so closet. Redo the floors, redo the trim,
Needs a
paint.
light.
There's no light fixture.
Needs more plugs in here too.
Uh-huh. The windows look to be in good condition. The shelf needs to come out. Okay, so let's go look at the next bedroom, which is the owner's suite.
Pocket door.
Huh?
You want to leave the red?
No, I think we'll get rid of the red. But this is the blue room, obviously, with its own bathroom and massive walk-in cedar closet. So in this room, we will redo the floors. The windows, I think, are okay in here.
Yeah, you're good.
Paint, new fixtures, new ceiling light,
new
ceiling
fan.
fan, light fixtures, take the shelves down, repaint the trim. And in the bathroom, that needs to come out. The whole thing needs to come out.
I want to get everything except for this tile pad.
You like that? So we'll put tile everywhere in the floor in this bathroom. Take this out, redo the shower. It's a good size though.
4 foot by 4 foot. I'll do it all tile.
So,
New vanity, new toilet, nice skylights in the bathroom.
yeah, there's lots of natural light.
I really like this yard outside.
New vanity. That's a good size vanity too.
48.
So this is a good space. It'll look really nice once it's all redone. Yeah, and this is like, it's got yard all the way around the house, which is nice. Okay, and then the third.
This would be the third bedroom back here, correct?
Yes, which is the yellow room.
Oh, yellow room. This is a good size.
Good size closet. Kind of wraps around in there.
Pocket door going to the closet.
More yellow.
Attic pull down steps.
So it needs a new fan,
Fan.
paint, redo the floor. The windows are good. This house is like over 100 years old, so
Yes.
it doesn't have ductwork everywhere. But what they have are these Mitsubishi Mr. Slim electric units, and they're ductless, and it's so warm in here.
Yeah,
It's
it's
how
amazing.
cold is it outside? It's pretty cold.
It's pretty cool, but yeah, these things are very, very energy efficient. They not only heat the house, but they also cool it as well.
So there's another one here. So we don't think we're gonna take these out and run ductwork. We're not completely sure yet, but because they're so efficient, we think we'll leave them. Is there a thermostat in every room too?
Well, it's on that machine.
So it's on it.
Each individual unit has its own thermostat, and you put in your temperature, and it holds it at that temperature.
Thanks for watching the before video of the Mellow Yellow House. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can follow along on our progress. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Amazon. The links are below in the comments.
A lot of dimmers in this house.
A lot of secret lights. Secretive lights. For we don't even know.